Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Firefox browser on Windows. To install Firefox browser on Windows, the first step will be to go to browser and type Firefox, download, enter. Click on the first link, or you can also directly go to the link. I will provide this link in the description as well. Now on this page, click on download Firefox. Before that, set Firefox as a default browser. So you can uncheck this if you don't want to set this browser as default. Click on download Firefox. So this will download the installer. Click on save. Download is started, is completed now. So go to downloads folder. So Firefox installer.exe, this is the exe which is downloaded. Double click on it. This should bring up a pop-up to you where it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. So once you click on yes, this should automatically start the installation process. So here you can see it says now installing. So installation is in progress. Okay, so the installation is complete now. Once the installation is completed, the Firefox browser will start in the background. So you get a pop-up if you want to set this as primary browser default. So you can click on not now. If you want to set it as default, you can click on it. So the Firefox browser is being downloaded and installed successfully in the system. So these are the steps we need to follow to download and install Firefox browser. I have also prepared a reference guide to the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.